shark. The fight is kind of different.
Might be the shark.
It is.
You think it is a shark? Yeah, it is a shark. We caught the shark.
The boat. I don't want to jump too close to the boat. You need to get away from the boat. Jump here and land the boat.
What's that?
I said if you land in the boat.
Yeah, he got the shark.
Shark. Pull some drag or something. I want to way out there, getting tired. They'll jump way in the air and you jump close to the boat.
So I don't think we need the gap thing.
No.
No, we need a 45. Did you bring yours with you?
You don't even really know he took yet.
You don't think so?
No. How do you not bite?
There he goes.
Stuck with the drag.
Yeah. There he goes. He's making a run for it.
Here he comes.
Oh, yeah. That's awesome. I got on tape.
Oh, man.
That was awesome. He's going to go again. Here he goes again. Here he goes. Here he goes.
Here we go.
Out the side. Out the side.
Yeah, you got a video?
Yeah, I got on video. Heck yeah.
This will go on the website for sure. Come on.
Nice there. Go back out again. One more time. One more time. Come on. He's coming this side. Here he comes right out front. Outside.
You guys want to fight him for a little bit?
Oh, man, I missed it.
Try it. Want to get a shot?
You get it on there, Brian. I'll do it after you. Let's wear him down.
He is. He knows he's hooked now.
All right, Brian, put your camera down. Get on there, Brian.
Ready.
Get on there, Brian. Come on.
Might be our only fun for the day here.
That's all right.
This action.
Can't
Hold
beat
tight
this.
now. Don't touch that line.
Do you lower your line if,
Huh?
do you lower the line if he jumps?
No, just, I think he's pretty good.
He's jumped 3 times already. That was a good one.
That was. He's resting right now. He's not really
Said you wanted to catch a sport fish. Let me get these sport fish. There he is right there.
Look at that, man.
You got my camera?
Yeah.
We got on video.
My knife. What's cool?
Yeah.
You pull a line up.
Enough fish to feed the whole.
Rope, you got tying a noose, anything like that?
You just throw a bow line around him.
He's tired. He's coming in.
He's got some energy. He's good. Oh, yeah.
would.
Yeah. This side.
I'm zooming in as things.
About half that far away.
He's just Henry Beaton. All right.
He's hooked. Can't be been through. We are so lucky. That's just mono. There's no wire there. But he hooked right inside the mouth.
He's hooked right inside the mouth. I can see it. When he came up, I saw it.
Tom, can you start feeding me some of that rope somehow?
Yep, let me shut this off.
And like that shape, just sitting there, not moving, he's right by the boat. So back it up, he might be able to get around. He pulls tight. He gets it tight around his tail. Yeah. Throw it in the freeze for a wheel. I'm gonna gun it. So that rope's around here. I'm trying to get it turned back.
Which way is freeze pull? Just pull back on the thing?
Yeah, you just flip that thing out. Done jumping.
I hope so.
Yeah, you're dragging him sideways.
Yeah, he's not even fighting. He's just. Then I saw his tail move one time.
See, he's going belly out.
Yeah, he's done.
Tired.
He's gonna get a second wind. Be careful.
Oh yeah.
You're so lucky that line is right in front of his mouth. If you had a couple big flying gaps, you could take that thing easy.
Yeah, I would.
Because once you get the gap in, then he's stuck to the boat. He's pissed. He looks pissed. One angry fish. I don't know if he's 300, but he's a couple hundred. Don't grab that line and keep that line away from your body. If he takes off, just duck.
There we go.
Yeah, can you give me? I'm still too close to his head.
Watch out for that spectra. Loosen that drag so something happens. Watch that line.
Neutral.
Loosen the drag.
How do you lose the drag?
Start. Turn it
Start.
Okay, I'm holding on to it, otherwise I'm gonna lose him.
There you go.
Okay.
Right, just so if he takes off, you got some shock absorber there.
Okay.
Done his tool if you can slow him down.
Okay.
See his tail, he's still down.
Yeah. I think he's feedering.
Yeah. All right, here it comes. Here it comes.
If he wants to take off, just let him.
Okay.
Yeah, I know.